In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you change the theme of any Microsoft Office product. But since these are Microsoft Word tutorials, so we would be focusing primarily on Microsoft Word. But using the same steps, you can change the theme of literally any Microsoft Office product. Okay. So by default, once you open Microsoft Word, this is how your screen looks. Like there is a blue status bar and a white background or a slight grayish color background with a white page present over there. So this is the light colored default theme given to you by Microsoft Office, but there are different other themes that you can change to as per your requirements. Let's see what are the steps that we need to follow. So for this, you need to go to this file option, and from this file menu that is present on the left hand side, you can go to account. Once you click in account, you will see something called as office theme with a drop down over there. By default, the value colorful would be selected, but you can change the theme of your Microsoft Office product from this particular menu. Like I want a dark gray theme, so let's just select dark gray. And once you click on this back arrow, this is how your document would look like now. This is how your screen would be welcoming you. Now there is the third theme that is available, and that is the white theme. If you want a white theme, that also you can choose. This is how the white theme looks. The difference between the colorful and the white theme is that in the case of the colorful, this part is colored as blue for Word, but in the case of white theme, it is all in white. So it totally depends on you that what kind of a theme you like. I am pretty much comfortable with the dark gray theme. And the other thing that you can do is change this office background. Right now, no background is selected, but if you just select something, like right now I've selected calligraphy, so you can see over here that the symbols have started appearing. So if you want some kind of a symbols to be appeared on your document, this is how you can make them visible. They're actually more visible with a white color. So let's just choose the white color and just toggle over all of these different symbols. Okay. So you can just set them according to your mood or according to your requirements. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.